So guys, I'm working on a 2018 Chevrolet Colorado 3.6 liter. I had a no com with the transfer case control module. They said the four-wheel drive wasn't working. So I came under here, I probed the four-wheel drive module right there, and my test light didn't light. Now I have it unplugged right now because I temporarily fixed the problem. I'll show you what happened. Let's see if this lights up. Yeah, it lights up now. But we had no power coming from this fuse up here, this 30 amp fuse. We had no power coming underneath the car right here. So, no power right here. So that's where I probed underneath, and then I grounded it to the chassis. I'll show you what happened. So I came up here and I saw that this was messed up. So look at that. What is this? I don't even know where that goes. It must bolt underneath the fuse box there. You can hear everything clicking when I move this, and it's chewed up right here. So I'm just gonna shrug off. I'm gonna fix that. Then we'll go from there. So here's our problem. It's not even tight. It's amazing that I was able to communicate with like 14 other modules on this truck. So I'm gonna loosen this up. I'm gonna clean it up. Looks like the bolt might be broke, or just rusty. And we'll go from there. So guys, I didn't get to record this earlier, but the Colorado, once I fixed that wire, we had communication with the transfer case and the switch worked. Now it does say that circuit signal is invalid, but I don't know if that's just because it if it just didn't get like initialized yet because I fixed that. So they're gonna have to move it and see, because it was parked in, but I turned the switch on the dash and it was moving. So the fact that that was loose, I think that might have been their whole issue. But if there's an update for this, I'll let you know. But at least we got communication back, and all the other codes cleared. This was the only code I think that was there. I don't think there was codes in any other modules. Like other stuff had codes before, I think low power and stuff. And now we don't have that. Yeah, below threshold. So I think that was the whole issue. So hopefully you guys like it. I know it's quick, but when I'm working at the car lot, I don't want to walk around making videos the whole time. See you guys later.